From old school cafes to new age restaurants, Mumbai has seen it all. Eateries that started by serving bun maska and chai have now changed their menus, and today on The Foodie we visit 3 such cafes which may have changed their menu a little but still serve some great food. Okay, I'm on the very busy commercial street which is called Firozshah Mehta Road in Mumbai, and the first place I'm going to is an Irani cafe which has changed its stripes, if I may say so. Mocambo Cafe used to be a beer bar. During our college days we used to frequent this place quite often. Today it's changed, especially the menu is become into a gastronomic delight, and it's loaded with cholesterol. So come to Mocambo, let's relive a bit of the past and also indulge in some really good meat. Carnivorous delight. Come on, Mocambo. A cafe known for its non-vegetarian food then was a regular haunt during my college days. The steak was a hot favorite, but today, let's see how it's made. And by the way, after I walk out of this place, I promise you, I'll be a couple of pounds heavier. Okay, so I'm filled with nostalgia as I enter this place, and I'm really happy to have Rustam over here.
Hi.
Hi, Rustam.
Hi, Kunal.
Rustam runs the place, Mocambo. Of course, the place has been around even before Rustam was born, but it's been in the family for a long time.
It's been there for a very long time. It's been over 50 years since this place has been running. Before it was more of a beer bar and Irani Parsi food, and now we've taken it from that around 7 years ago. We've changed it from the typical Irani and Parsi food to a typical European restaurant, along with Parsi food served only for lunch.
If you are a hardcore carnivore and a meat lover, this is the place to come.
Typical meat lover. Non-veg food, steaks, pork chops, ribs, typical lamb chops. Our dish is not about presentation, it's more about the quantity and the quality of the food. So, if you see the dishes, everything has cheese in it.
We are going to eat it in a little while, but before that, he's going to show his magic. Rustam is going to show his magic behind the kitchen counter. And what are you going to cook first?
We'll cook a carpet bag steak and
carpet bag steak, okay?
And also a baked garlic prawns.
Baked garlic prawns. So here we go. Nice. Both obviously with lovely heavy sauces.
And only non-veg.
And only non-vegetarian. Okay.
No veg.
So I think it's time we step behind the kitchen, get out of nostalgia, move behind the kitchen and cook up some great meat.
Get to the food street.
Let's get to the food. Come on.
Sure.
Okay, so we're all set to see Rustam work his magic. Rustam, what are we starting with?
We're starting with baked garlic prawns today.
Okay.
So we start off with first the olive oil. Then we just add a little bit of the garlic.
So before you bake the prawns, you're actually going to cook them in the pan?
Yeah.
Okay.
We do that. Then we add a little bit of the onion. A little bit of celery. Okay. Just saute this a little. It just releases the flavors once we...
Now this baked garlic prawns that we're making, the recipe is like what? It's like just a Mocambo recipe? Is it...
Yeah, it is a Mocambo recipe adapted to the customers around.
Okay.
It's basically the European food, but since the Indians have a palate for a little spicy things, so we add a little bit of paprika in it.
Okay.
So now we add the prawns once it's a little sauteed.
We've got the garlic going and we've got the prawns going.
Yeah.
Great.
Now we add a little bit of white wine in it.
I'm getting all these lovely aromas in there.
Once this stage is done, then we add the white sauce, basically the bechamel sauce.
Okay, so this is
the white sauce.
And the white sauce is basically
made out of milk, butter and flour. We'll add a little bit of stock in it just to release the flavors.
This is like chicken stock?
No, this is vegetable stock.
Veg stock.
Veg stock. At this stage, we'll add fresh basil in it as herbs.
Nice.
And a little bit of paprika in it. And the last touch is the Parmesan cheese, which is required in any Mocambo recipe.
Yeah. Cheese is a must.
Yeah, cheese is a must. As you can see, the prawns are being nicely curled up, so that means
they're done.
They're done. Just add a little bit of seasoning in it, and a little bit of black pepper.
Salt and black pepper.
Salt and black pepper. The sauce is ready. Now this will go in the oven with mozzarella cheese all topped over, and it will be baked in the oven for another 3 minutes, and then you're ready to eat.
Ready to eat, okay. So this is now going to be topped with mozzarella cheese. It's going to go into the oven, and then when it comes out of the oven,
Yeah,
hot and
hot,
fresh, and
piping
baked,
hot.
it'll be ready to eat. Okay, we're done with the prawns, but we've got this humongous looking steak right now.
Yep.
What is this? This is huge.
This is a carpetbag steak
Why is it called carpetbag?
because it's basically it's like flattened out like a carpet, stuffed with a lot of cheese,
Okay.
and packed up like a bag. So it's basically a carpetbag
You're
steak.
telling me this steak
It's
is
stuffed
got-
with cheese. It's fully loaded with cheese inside.
You've got this flattened out piece of meat
Yeah.
stuffed with cheese right over here. Okay, carpet bag. Okay, so we start?
Yeah, sure. Pass me the olive oil and a little bit of the butter.
And a little bit of the butter. Lot of generous amount of butter in it. And you cannot deny the fact that butter adds tremendously to the taste of.
It does,
All the food.
it does. Once it heats up a little, then we'll be adding the steak in just to sear it off. Once it sears on one side, then we flip it off
On the other side.
on the other side, and then we keep it on the side for resting, and then we start with the sauce.
You can see a little bit of cheese
Yeah.
oozing out from here.
Yeah, it'll start oozing out now.
Yeah.
Pour a little bit of the olive oil and all of it so that it stays moist.
Yeah.
Now we can start, just pass me the basic 3 ingredients. We just add a little bit of the red wine.
The red wine.
Now once it's a little reduced down, we'll add in the mushrooms and then the brown sauce.
Okay. Mushrooms. How many spoons?
3 to 4.
What is the difference between the brown sauce and the white sauce? In terms of
Brown
ingredients?
sauce, in terms of ingredients, brown sauce is totally made out of the meat bones. And in the white sauce, we don't have anything non-vegetarian in it. It's all about the milk, the butter and the flour. Now your steak is nearly done. Potatoes.
What have you done with them?
We've blanched them and we've parboiled them and then we fried them. And we'll add a little bit of salt, pepper, and we're nearly there.
Going into this one dish, you've got the steak, you've got the cheese, you've got the veggies, the potatoes, the garlic,
Yeah,
the herbs. Really nice.
we try to even keep them healthy.
Yes.
And it'll be served along with some brown sauce on the side. And that's it, ready to go.
So we've got our
That's-
prawns which are ready, and now this is the carpetbag steak, which is so delicious. My God. Let's eat this.
Yeah, let's
What
start.
do you say?
Let's start.
Let's eat it. So Rustam, this is it.
Yeah, this is
The moment of reckoning
the moment is here.
with all this amazing looking food right in front of me.
Yep.
It's a meat feast, if I may say so.
It is a meat feast.
Yeah?
It is definitely a meat feast. There's nothing vegetarian over here except for the vegetables. That's it.
And I like that. So we've got a carpetbag steak over here, stuffed with cheese. We've got the prawns, the baked garlic prawns.
Baked garlic prawns, that's right.
Really nice. This
Topped with
golden-
cheese.
Yeah, the
Like,
mozzarella
yeah,
on top
a lot
looks-
of mozzarella.
Yeah, looks really nice. And you've added another dish to the
Yeah.
eating.
That's one of our specialities as well. That's the pork ribs.
Here we are, the carpetbag steak, which is
Stuffed with cheese. That's a lot of cheese.
This is cheese.
Cheese, yeah, that's cheese.
That's a lot of cheese. Look at the amount of cheese in here. Attack, as they say. You know, the meat is cooked perfectly. I'm so
That's
happy that the meat is actually
Pounded.
pounded and made
Yeah.
on a thin thing. So while you're still getting a lot of meat, it's still manageable. And Lots of cheese.
Lots of cheese. You need that.
I didn't expect so much cheese to be there in that. No?
No one does.
Yeah, it's like a surprise. And what you've done is, on the final touch,
Add a little bit of crispy shallots.
lovely.
It gives a little bit of sweetness to it.
Nice crispy onions on top. Okay, now I'm going to try some of these wonderful prawns.
Please do.
I'm going to leave the ribs for the last. Big garlic prawns. And then cheese. What's nice is, although we put a lot of cheese in it, you've got parmesan happening, you've got mozzarella happening, everything, the flavor of the prawns still remains.
That's the
flavor.
main idea.
And now for some ribs. Oh. Nice. I can already feel it nice and crusty on the outside. But the fat has got nice and crisp, you know?
Yep.
Ribs. The mustard and the honey goes really well.
It really goes well.
Purushottam, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You made my morning. What can
Thank
I say? Yeah? I know I have a lot of eating to do for the rest of the day, but this was a good start. I'll finish all this off. But before I leave Mocambo, there's one thing that I have to do, which is tradition. And this is exactly what you have to do before you leave Mocambo, right on the wall.